is ready.
Hell, I'm coming in.
I was looking over there. Go back out there again. 1, 2, 3, action. Those roast veggies, oh my God, can you believe it? We made those patties and then we've got the leftover. And this is what makes everything so delicious. Like simple and delicious, and this is what I love about this whole situation right now. So I've got a little bit of salad, sprouts, greens, whatever you desire, whatever you think is your thing. One of the most important things with salad that I like to do is salt and pepper, the abundance that they are, and it just brings out a hell of a lot of flavour. It's just delicious, and a tiny little bit of olive oil on those greens and those tomatoes too, just to be cheeky. And mixing that through just gently and into my bowl, and then those sprouts there, and then the carrot. And this is where we have these amazing, gorgeous vegetables that come in handy that have been sitting there. I'm just going to show you what they look like after sitting there for a couple of days in the fridge. Actually, it's been one day, not a couple, but check it out. That to me is enough, and I love this. I love that you get to do this, and it goes straight into here. And you can add the Caesar salad dressing on here if you like. It's up to you. You can add anything that you want on here. Like I just did that little bit of olive oil just to bring it home. Or you love balsamic glaze, which I have right here. Just put over the veggies. And that to me is just one way to take that simple dish of the roast veggie patty to the next day for a salad bowl. And the leftover, if I've got any more leftover, I'm going to mush that up with a fork and put it on a wrap bread and fill it up with some beautiful salad. So it's just how you manage all that situation, right? So we get really supported, and the veggies are really supported as well. So this is it. Roast veggie salad bowl. Delicious. I just want to dive into that actually. Swim around and shit, you know. Sometimes when you see people on Instagram and they make really pretty bowls and they're just so perfect, give some of my friends anxiety. The whole point here is your perfection is actually perfect in the imperfection. And that's the beauty of nature, right? You can never get it right, but you can always get it done. So celebrate yourself today. It's a winning day. You're amazing. Life is working for you, not against you. Lunch is ready. Here's my woman.
My lunch is ready.
It's like served. That's the whole thing with doing a plant-based challenge with a friend, right? We get to. You want more balsamic glaze, don't you?
I know. Thank you.
Oh my God, it's so cute. It's so good. I'm going to have mine on the other side of the table, and I will see you in the next video. Tell me what you think. Do you like it? Do it. Celebrating plants, celebrating you, celebrating the art of nature, having this moment with yourself, with your friends, doing it with a friend, yeah? And just having some fun with it and not putting any rules around it, hey? No. Exactly.
If you like more, put more.
Have more.
This is really good.
It's great, hey, the veggies.
I didn't realize that the roast veggie, when it's cold, it's like the taste
different.
Deepen.
Yeah, and sweeter. Yeah, really because nice. It's caramelized. Yeah, awesome. Enjoy. I'm gonna eat mine over here.
I don't miss my meat. Bye bye.